What if I told you airlines make billions each year from your lack of knowledge? Most airport rules keep you spending, not saving. From overpriced snacks to seat upgrades you don't need, you've been tricked for years, but not anymore. Today, I reveal 10 powerful airport travel hacks. Airlines hope you never discover these secrets. By the end, you'll travel cheaper, faster, smarter. Welcome to the Travel Saviour channel. Smart travelers learn how to hack airports, master transport options, and travel the world without breaking the bank or wasting time. If you want smoother, cheaper, stress-free trips, you're in the right place today. Let's dive into the first travel hack. Hack 1. Empty bottle trick. Forget paying $6 for tiny bottled water. Bring an empty reusable bottle through security. Fill it at a water fountain near your gate. Some airports have filtered water stations, free and fresh. Hack 2. Hidden Wi-Fi codes. Many airports have free Wi-Fi with time limits. Visual. Traveler on phone, looking frustrated. Search Twitter for your airport Wi-Fi password. Travelers share updated codes from airport lounges. Hack 3. Skip check-in desk. Always check in online before you arrive. Download your boarding pass to your phone. Skip long lines and avoid last-minute baggage fees. Hack 4. $1,000. Seat selection. Mistake. Airlines push you to pay for certain seats. Some free seats have more legroom than paid. Use Seat Guru to pick the best spot. Hack 5. Hidden city ticketing. Use skip lags to book cheaper layover tickets. Get off at your layover city, not destination. It's legal for passengers, but airlines hate it? Hack 6. Free lounge access. You don't need to be rich to enter. Credit cards or Lounge Buddy passes get you inside. Enjoy free snacks, drinks, and a comfy chair. Hack 7. Jacket trick. Avoid overweight baggage fees with travel jacket pockets. Carry electronics, snacks, or clothes without paying. Airlines can't charge for what's on you. Hack 8. Early morning flights. Book flights before 9 a.m. for savings. They're cheaper and less likely to be delayed. Shorter security lines mean a calmer trip. Start. Hack 9. Beat jet lag. Adjust your sleep schedule 3 days before trip flying east. Sleep earlier than usual flying west. Stay up later before flight. Hack 10. Social media for help, flight delayed or bag lost. Skip the line, tweet directly. At your airline's official account, social teams respond faster than phone agents. There you have it. 10 travel hacks. Airlines don't want you knowing these tricks. Subscribe so you never miss money-saving tips. I'm the Travel Savior. Safe travels always.